Hi friends. In previous session we learned the alter, delete, drop commands. Now in this scenario, in this video, we learn the alter commands in a SQL server. It's very important commands. So what is the use of alter command? Okay. So what is the use of alter command in a SQL server? So the main use of alter command is to to modify existing table. Okay, to modify existing table columns, or add new column. Okay, add a new column or drop. Okay, or drop existing column in a database. So in real time, how to use alter command in SQL server? So I'm going to creating one table. Create table tbl employee. This is my table name. So I'm going to adding my columns. ID type is a integer and name. So data type is a varchar of 10. Okay, and so I'm giving two columns. Okay, so I am creating this table. Now what is this? Where varchar of 10 is a data type. Click on execute. Now table is created. So to see our table is created or not, so use a select command. Select star from our table name. So table name is a tbl employee. So I created the two columns. Now here is a problem is I given length varchar size is a 10. So what I'm doing here, I'm inserting values. Insert into insert into tbl employee our table name. So we have a columns. That is a column ID and name is our column name. Okay, and we have to pass the values. So ID is 1, name is Shiva. Now I want to execute this command. Okay, execute. Now row is affected successfully. I want to see data, so select star from table. So it is successful. Now I want to create a one more record. Now what I'm going to do here, so I'm adding some extra characters. Okay, now execute this query again. See here I'm getting the issue. So string or binary data would be truncated in a table. So db employee is our database name, dot dbo dot tbl employee is our table name, column name truncated value. So what is the meaning of this one? So the actual meaning of this error message is I given a name column varchar data type and size is a 10, but while I'm inserting this column name is more than 10 characters. I'm inserting more than 10 characters. In this scenario I'm facing this issue. So in real time already I created the table and I inserted some values, so I cannot drop this column. So what I have to do now, I have to modify this varchar size. So I have to increase. So with the help of alter command I can achieve. So I can achieve the varchar size. I can change. So how to change? So we have a alter command. Using alter command I can change. alter table name is a tbl employee. Okay, tbl employee. So copy this name and paste here. So what I want to now, I want to increase the this varchar size. So alter column name is a name. Okay, column name is a name. I want varchar size, I'm increasing the 50. So column name varchar 50. So execute this command. Okay, now what I'm doing here, modify column, modify column size, data type size, data type size. So this I'm doing here. Now if I execute this one, I can able to insert. Now see, I'm able to inserting. So to check that data is inserted or not, execute select. See here, I'm able to inserting. Now after creating of this table, my client asked me to add a new column in this table. So already I created one table, but after creation of table, my client told add one more column to existing table. So how to add new column to the existing table? How to add a new column to the existing table. So again alter table. Okay, table name is a tbl employee, and I want to add a new column, use add, and I want to add a column name is a salary. Okay, and the type is a integer. So execute this query, click on execute, and this column is added or not, we have to check by using the select star from table name. Now if you see, I'm able to add the existing to the existing table. I'm added the new column. Now after adding this column, my client again told me I don't want this salary column, so please remove that column. So he told, so I want to remove, means I want a drop. How to drop a column, how to drop column to the existing table. So alter table, our table name is a tbl employee. Okay, so we have to use the drop command. Drop column, what is the column name? Salary. So this is our column name of salary. Now execute this query and click on execute button. So this column is dropped or not, we have to verify again, right? So execute the select star from our table name. Now see, salary column I'm able to drop. So like this, in real time also we have to add the new column, we have to drop the column, we have to modify the data type. Okay, I changed the, I mean here varchar size I increased. So I can change data type also. For example, this name I given a varchar 50. After client told me I don't want a varchar, I want the data type is integer to the name, so some other column name. Okay, so how to change the data type, how to change the data type? Now if you see here, already I have a integer, some string data in a name column, but I want this name column should be changed to the integer type. So how to change? So how to change data type? I mean how to change the data type to the column, data type to the column. Okay, so alter table name is a tbl employee. Okay, now I want to change. Okay, alter column name is a name, and I want to change the data type to integer. Now if I execute, I will get an issue because there is already data. Okay, so to converting varchar to data type integer, because I have already data in a name column. So in real time also we will face this issue. So how to fix this issue? I have to, so I need to remove that data. So how to remove? So we need to update table. Okay, update table name is a tbl employee, set name equal to null. Okay, so without where condition it will update the null values in a name. Now execute this query. Okay, now I'm able to successfully run this command, because in previous we have a data in a name column. Now in this type, so I don't have any data in a name column. Now data type I'm able to change. So how to check this varchar change to integer or not? So just refresh the database. Okay, click on right click on database, click on refresh. Now open the table, expand the tables. So after we have employee table employee table, now expand the columns. Now see name, the data type changed to integer. So like this in a real time we have to use the alter commands. So this topic is very important. If you go interview also, they will ask these all questions: how to add a new column, how to change the data type, how to drop the existing column, and how to rename the column name, how to rename the tables. Like this they will ask the multiple interview questions on a alter command. So if you have any doubt, please comment on below this session. So definitely I will reply to you. Okay friends, thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day.